Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to do the unboxing of a product that is exclusive to us, and it's called the G-6R, and it's made by ComfyGo. They have a secondary brand called Glide Care. Now, the G-6R has a reclining backrest, which makes it unique. It can support 265 pounds of weight. It has 11-mile battery range, 4-mile-per-hour top speed, and it's airline approved. So let's get into the unboxing just to show you what to expect when you receive this. So typically you're gonna have 2 straps on here. So you can use scissors or a knife. So I'm just gonna cut these off and then cut around. Make sure you don't cut into the box. So a lot of the folding power wheelchairs, including these Glide Care chairs, they're pretty much assembled. Just a matter of attaching the joystick most of the times. So it has a little styrofoam top, just remove that. And chair's already assembled here. So what I'm gonna do, it does weigh 56 pounds without the battery. So if you're strong enough, you can pull it right out, but the best thing to do is really just to set it on its side like this, and then you can just pull it right out. This is also the headrest, which we'll attach here in just a moment. So I will go ahead and take this out. And we'll just set this to the side. One of the great things about these Glide Care products is there are 3 of them. They're 3 folding power wheelchairs. All 3 of them are very affordable. They're actually about half the cost of comparable products in the industry. All 3 of them are airline approved. So as far as everything else with the unboxing, you can see it's pretty much assembled. I'm just gonna take this wrap off of the foot plate here. Here's the joystick. Just remove this bubble wrap from it. We've got some plastic around the wheel. So I'll remove that. And then on this other wheel. And I think I can just probably unfold it from here. Yeah, so I'm just pulling the seat back and pushing the cushion down. I'm just gonna unfold it. And then we can remove the plastic wrap around the seat cushion. It's a well-padded seat cushion. And it's actually a pretty big seat. I'm pleased with that. The seat is a pretty big size. And we also have these protectant styrofoam around the legs of the chair, so I'll just kind of cut those off. So it looks like you can attach it, and this is my first time seeing the product, but you can attach it right here. There's 2 screws that attach it, but if you're left-handed, you would just unscrew these, and you can put it on the other side. So I'll just slide the joystick on here, just like so, and then there's a clamp here, so you have to just clamp that into place. So I just turned it on, and you can hear it beeping, and the reason it's beeping is because it's in freewheel. So I'll turn it off right now, and press both of these levers up to put the motors into drive. So now if I turn it on, it's not gonna beep, because now it's in drive position, and the electromagnetic brakes are activated. Now, to attach the headrest, what you want to do is, it needs to attach right here, and I'll show you how to do that. So there's some tools that come with this unit, and ComfyGo does a great job of that, just preparing you for everything that you're gonna need. So there is a storage area right here on the front. That's a zipper, and they send you with this toolkit. So everything that you would possibly need. You needed to adjust things on the chair. You got your user manual. This is the charger. It has an attendant remote, which we'll show you here in just a moment. It comes with a pump. So the rear wheels are air-filled tires, so you have this pump. You can also use a regular bicycle pump if you wanted to, but they sent those. And then these are the attachments that you would use to attach the headrest to the back of the chair. And then we'll need to grab one of these hex wrench tools. So there's 2 of them in here, so this should be the one. All right, so here's what we would do. You can see on here, one is a little bigger than the other. So the bigger one, we're actually gonna attach to the frame. And then the second one will attach, actually I'm gonna face it this way so I have the bolt sticking out so it's easier to tighten. And then I would use this Allen wrench to tighten this. And then obviously we'll do it on the other side and we'll just go over a couple of the features. The headrest is adjustable in height, so you can adjust it up or down a little bit, and you can tilt it and up and back. Quick announcement, we are giving away a free mobility scooter. We do this monthly. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on any video. Once you've done those 2 things, you'll automatically be entered into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. We do announce the winner on our YouTube channel and all of our social media. So if you'd like to be entered into that drawing, just do those 2 things. Now back to the video. Now there is a little storage pouch back here, but this is in the way. So, little design, could have been designed maybe a little differently, but you do have a little storage back here, but more importantly, you have the storage in the front where we grabbed all of the tools, the manual, and the remote control, etc. You also have these 2 spring suspensions that are on the front caster wheels, gives you a little bit of give, and because it's air filled, that also allows you to have a little bit of give as well. There is 2 storage, zipper storage pouches here on the sides. So not a ton of storage, but it's good for a folding power wheelchair. Usually you don't have much, but obviously this one has a little more. So I personally like the seat size. It's 18.5 inches by 18.5 inches. For me, as being a tall rider, I think it fit pretty comfortably. I mean, my knees are up a little high, if I'm honest. And the foot plate's not adjustable, but that kind of makes up for, you know, the chair being such an affordable chair. So a couple of the features that I like, so you put the headrest on, which allows you to recline. So there's a little lever here, and it's a hydraulic lever, and you're able to recline as I'm sitting here. So if you wanted to kind of take a load off, you can do that in this chair. So I like that, and you know, some people might want that for a specific reason, maybe to increase their blood circulation. Now, as I showed you previously, the cushions are they're removable. There's a zipper here, so I can take this cover off. You can wash it. It also comes with the seat belt. It comes standard. This is also removable. You can take this off and wash that. The thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video. Now on the joystick, go over some of the features. This is the power button. This is your horn. This is your speed control. The top speed on this is around 4 miles per hour. And then if you back up, it'll beep like that. But you can silence it by pressing that, and now it's not going to beep when you go in reverse. Also, on the armrest, they do flip up, which allows for easy transfers in and out of the seat. As far as the attendant remote, the way this works is you have to turn on the joystick first, and then you can power this on. So I hold this down for 4 seconds, this will turn on. And once it's turned on like that, I can actually control this. And it actually can control all the way up to about 60 yards away. So if you're a caretaker, taking care of your patient, this is a good alternative. A lot of the attendant remotes are attached at the back, but with this, you can walk alongside of the patient and talk to them and have that, you know, that face-to-face connection, which is really nice. Or You know, if you're someone that was not able to operate the joystick due to a medical condition, you can just hold this and you can operate the chair with just the joystick if you wanted to. And all the functions you can do on the joystick, you can do on the remote. So I can honk the horn, I can adjust the speed control. So really nice. These are some buttons that aren't necessary on this remote, so you can disregard these, but everything from here up are the ones that you would use to actually operate the chair. If you're flying on an airline, of what they're gonna require you to do. So you're gonna have to turn off the unit, and then the airline's always gonna make you remove the battery. So pretty simple to do. There is a little lever here. It's on a track. I can just pull this and it'll slide off the track. And then you can just detach the battery like so. Has a nice handle, so you can take this on with you. Now you can charge the battery directly on the battery pack itself. So you can bring this inside your home, leave the chair in your car, and then once it's fully charged, the charger is going to turn green, so you know it's fully charged, and you can bring it back out and put it back on the chair. You can also charge the chair directly on the joystick itself. Now getting back to folding it, at this point what I would do is I would probably bring that Allen wrench with you, or when you initially attach the joystick, and I would remove this and take this off too. This could potentially get damaged. But as far as folding, you just pull this little latch here, or actually you press it, and then it will allow you to fold it flat. And you can hear that click. So now it is folded. And you can see there are, there's an anti-tip wheel and another wheel here, and it allows it to stand up straight, just like this. So now you can, you would then check this with the airline, give this to the airline, or if you weren't flying with this, it allows for easier storage. So you can put this, you know, in the back of your car, you can put it in a closet. And then as far as unfolding it, it's really just the opposite. So since this is unlatched, I'm just gonna pull the seat back and then press the seat down. And you'll hear it click, and now it's unfolded. So really simple to do. And as far as putting the battery back on, this is what you have to line up on this little track down here. So first I'll attach the battery. And you just line this up and push it in. And now it's locked into place. So one thing I wanted to point out too that I noticed is as we were operating this chair, you can see there's a couple little scuff marks in here, and that's from these rear air-filled tires. So, and that just depends on the type of floor you have. So it's something that you should be aware of. Obviously it's easy to clean that off, and I think the more you use the chair, you're not gonna get, it'll wear these tires in, so it's not gonna be an issue. But initially when you receive it, it could be something that you might run into, and that really depends on your flooring. So we just wanted to point that out. If you're looking for an affordable folding power wheelchair that is about half the price of comparable units on the market, the GlideCare G-6R is really a good option. Also, you can try this product for 7 days. So we offer a 7-day free trial with this because we're so confident with this particular product and the GlideCare brand. So the way it works is you would purchase the unit like you normally would, and then when you receive it, you can try it indoors. Just don't take it outside. Make sure you keep all the packaging, and if for some reason you don't like it, you could call us and we will send you a prepaid return label, and you could send it back. And then once it's received, you'll get a full refund. So really it's a risk-free way of trying this. And that's how confident we are in this GlideCare brand. That's why we offer that. So if you have any questions about it or any of these other GlideCare products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com.